of future self-cleaning roads. These lights will be showing the footpath and the road by side. And these are the street lights. These are on solar. These are signals. Red means to stop, like always. And when the red light starts, the water will be pumped from the center of the road and the roads will be cleaned by themselves. In 2 to 3 seconds, the road will be cleaned and the water will be used twice or thrice and it will be self-cleaned by the machinery along this box. When the water pump stops, the water will be drained to these holes present on the sides. And now you are ready to go.